Officials have lifted the state of emergency for Evansville and Vanderburgh County. The Emergency Management Agency thanks first responders, 911 dispatchers, utility crews, vegetation workers, street maintenance crews, urban forestry teams, and all volunteers who helped the community through last week's ice and snow. Many students who hadn't been to school since before Christmas returned to classrooms on Monday. Sunshine and above freezing temperatures over the weekend helped melt more of the ice and snow. It was followed by colder air. CenterPoint Energy says it restored power on Saturday to the last of its customers who lost electricity last week. Last Sunday's snow and ice knocked out power to more than 60,000 customers in southwest Indiana. More on these and other stories at news.wnin.org.